Let's go, man. It's Big COBJ back at it again with another video today. Come get out my comfort zone with me today. I went ahead and shampooed and conditioned her hair, and now I'm just about to basically just blow dry it and comb it. Something simple, something different, but hey, man, look, I'm just trying to get out my comfort zone. I'm just trying to show y'all how versatile I am. So as y'all see, I went ahead and put her hair in sections, piece by piece. This is a first time client, and she said the experience was really good. Reason why I'm being like so soft for sure, well, of course because she's a female, but also because she's tender hair. And y'all stay tuned, man. This is just me. I just wanted to upload this video just to show y'all how versatile I am and what else I can do as far as services. So get with the program, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at bigceo.bj. Let's go. So as y'all see, like I said, I'm just going into 4 different sections. I'm doing piece by piece right there. I'm just trying to see how it is in the middle, if it's still damp or whatever, piece by piece. I'm using her own, it's not a hot brush, I guess I say, or a blow dryer brush, you know. So yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and display this. So y'all see she did her little 2-strand twist or whatever. But yeah, man, I was like, I was going to, you know, twist it down or whatever. I was like, man, let me just let her do that. You know, I'm already out my comfort zone just trying to produce this. But yeah, man, so I was definitely up for the challenge. I mean, I'm not even gonna say it was a challenge. It wasn't a challenge. It was just something different for me because, you know, I usually do locks, retwist style, stuff like that. So I said, you know what? Let me refresh my memory back when I was in school, when we'll do everything in sections, have it clipped up, and, you know, but it was on mannequin hair, so it was definitely different as well. So I said, let me record a video, you know what I'm saying? Something different. But hey, man, I just want to go ahead and put it out there for y'all just so y'all can see how I get down over here at BJ's Cuts. Lately, I just been staying focused, man. Yeah, I've been having a lot going on, but I'm definitely excited for the new journey, the new chapter. I had to flip the page. I had to cut ties. I had to dip in my savings. I was just going through the motions, going through the seasons, but everything happened for a reason, you know. So it's just life, man. You know, I just had to bounce back. That's all. And I told myself I'm gonna work more on content and produce as much as I can, piece by piece. I have a couple more videos I'm about to be uploading. I'm just taking it day by day, not trying to overthink. I've been working on a lot of canvases lately too. As y'all see, she has a lot of hair. Her hair is really thick too. So I had to break it down piece by piece. And yeah, I just started putting it together, as y'all see. I was thinking about getting one of those type of brush, the hot brush or whatever, blow dryer brush, but I don't really have a lot of clients with long hair, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, mostly I'm just temp fading or whatever, locks and stuff like that. But it's definitely convenient because my son has a lot of hair like this, and it'll be a great implement to use or a tool to use, you know, in order to, like, after I shampoo and condition his hair. But, you know, he also rocks with the curl, so the curly fro, you know what I'm saying? So, but as y'all see, I'm just finding my rhythm. I'm just flowing. Like I said, it's just something different for me. I just want to get out my comfort zone and challenge myself. I'm always up for a challenge. And I told her I want to keep doing it. Like, keep shampooing and conditioning her hair, using this tool to get out my comfort zone and to also refresh my memory. Because in barber school, we were taught different. You know, we'll use the brush, the ventilator brush, and the blow dryer. But I was like, dang, this invention is pretty cool. I used it before, but it was a different type. So as y'all see, I'm just sectioning the hair to make sure I fully get everything through, all the way to the roots. From my experience, I learned in this that you have to like twist the brush as you go. Well, of course, we learned that in school, but I'm just saying it's more efficient. At first, it was more so a cautious thing. I was just trying to make sure I wasn't getting too close to the scalp. And like I said, she's tenderhead. So as y'all see, I'm just flowing piece by piece. And it's looking good. That's all she wanted to get done today. She was going to do her hair soon. But as y'all see, she has a lot of hair. So I just wanted to help her out and get the content, man. Get the content, stay consistent. Upload on my TikTok, my YouTube, my Instagram, all of those things. Y'all make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at bigceo.bj, at bjs.cuts with 2 Z's. Subscribe on my YouTube. Follow me on my Instagram. My YouTube is bigceobj. This is a one take. I'm not editing the voiceover. This is a part of the section before my phone died. As y'all see, it started to lag a little bit, but let's go, man.